It's Jonathan from Caravan Source again. I just thought I'd do a little how-to, little helpful video on what to do if you have a cracked plastic front, back or roof panel on your caravan, and just take a little look. We've got cracks, pretty big crack here. I can't really see what I'm looking at. Crack, little crack here. So what we start with is a 1mm drill bit, a very fine drill bit, and you want to drill out the end of your crack so that it can't go any further. Then with a Stanley blade, I'm cutting I can't actually see my own camera, sort of cutting a V channel into the plastic. I'm gonna turn the camera around. So with my superior lens, cutting a V shape into the plastic here so that the glue can get in there. And what I've got is I've got a product made by Innertech, which is a cleaner and then a primer, and then I've got a 2-part epoxy in a gun which is gonna repair these cracks. As you can see, this one hasn't been done, but I have drilled it out. It's what you do on cymbals actually, if you're a musician, if you're a drummer. When your cymbal cracks, you drill out the crack to make sure the crack can't go any further, because the round shape, a crack apparently doesn't travel up a round shape past a round shape, it'll stop there. And these cracks will continue if they're not drilled out. That actually looks like a really big hole from there, but like if you zoom out, it's tiny. It is tiny, and you can't see it once you've worked it. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you the glue. Quick video update. So the glue is in. Yes, it doesn't look fantastic, but it is filling the cracks nicely and is very strong stuff. Like I said, it's a 2-part epoxy. It sets stronger than the plastic was originally. It's not like a silicone, it is a glue. So I'm bonding the panels back together. I'm putting tape around the glue. And I am filling the box with a hybrid polymer, like so. And then I'm using Reaper-Plast cleaner, which I find is good, but this is an anti-static plastic cleaner, really for cleaning this kind of material before you seal it. But what I find great with a hybrid polymer, which is essentially a product like CT1, and I think there's a million different products. Is what you can do is, similarly with silicone, when you use water, you can spray it onto your finger, your glove, or directly onto the product and smooth it down really small. Then what I'm doing is I'm just using that as a template. I'm taking the tape off. Just easier said than done when you've got gloves on, because I just wanted to guide where the product was going to be. This doesn't have to be perfect on the roof. And then another quick bit of that, and with a smooth bit of glove, just clean bit of glove would be better as well. Tease it, smooth it down, wipe away any excess, and then you've got a lovely mound of sealant sat on top there. I did 2 already here. So now we've got a drilled crack that can't get any longer, which is what's happened with this one. It started there and it's spread, and then we've filled the crack with glue, and then we've cocooned the glue in a lovely chunk, a nice bed of sealant, which should last a lot of years. Since doing this as well, I'm wondering whether, I don't know the answer to this, but I don't know whether Swift have put screws along here. It just looks like a load of sealant, a bit like this, and then tape over the top. If there was screws underneath that, that could also explain why the panel's cracked, because I don't think that is the case, because the cracks would presumably be more uniform in line with the screws. But had they put screw holes in there, I would expect to see cracks where the screws were, because on Bailey roof structures where they join the front and back panels in the corners, particularly on the corners where they've screwed here round the curve for the awning rail, you see cracks starting to come up from the screws. But in any case, we've come up with a good method to repair the cracks and seal, to make sure absolutely no water is going to get in future. If you like this video, click subscribe, click the bell notification, and keep an eye out for future helpful videos. If you've got any questions, do feel free to get in touch. If you'd like to see our caravans for sale, see caravansource.co.uk.